In this video, I will show you how to change your Steam region or country. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Now, of course, changing your regional country gives you access to games which might not be available in other countries, and of course, different prices on the Steam store. Now, to get started, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto your name up here where it says manage account, and on this drop down menu come and click onto account details. What it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and in the store and purchase history section at the top you're going to see an option to update your store country. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. As you can see, it says if you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country setting when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you'll also have an option to change your store region whilst you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. So that is how to change your region or country on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.